Get ready to witness the power of powerful modern machines and the creativity of wood splitters like you never knew. In this video, we will introduce from advanced forestry machines that dominate the timberlands with ease, along with handmade wood splitters built by master craftsmen. Like and subscribe to be immersed in the amazing world of forestry machinery. The DAF-150D is a high-powered forestry mulcher attachment designed for heavy-duty land clearing and vegetation management. This machine is built for use with excavators, delivering exceptional performance in the removal of trees, brush, and overgrowth in large-scale forestry or land management projects. Equipped with a durable cutting drum and high-strength teeth, the DAF-150D can efficiently grind down thick vegetation, turning it into fine mulch. Its hydraulic drive system ensures smooth and powerful operation, making it capable of handling dense and tough materials like hardwoods and thick underbrush. One of the standout features of the DAF-150D is its versatility and adaptability, able to be mounted on various types of heavy machinery, such as excavators, to tackle complex terrain and large-scale tasks. With its precise cutting capabilities and rugged design, the DAF-150D is perfect for forestry professionals looking to maximize efficiency and productivity in land clearing operations. Homemade wood chipping machine craftsmen have not only perfected the basic handmade log splitter, but have also innovated various designs to meet different needs, making wood splitting even more efficient. One of the notable versions is the drill-type splitter, which uses a large, spiraling auger bit. Another impressive design is the circular blade splitter, equipped with a sharp, rotating disc. As the blade spins, it slices through logs with precision, cutting them into uniform pieces in seconds. This type of splitter is highly effective for large-scale wood processing, where speed and consistency are essential. In addition to these, there are splitters that use hydraulic arms fitted with cutting blades. These machines offer immense power and control, as the hydraulic arm pushes the log onto the blade, splitting it cleanly and effortlessly. This type of splitter is particularly favored for processing thicker or tougher logs, where traditional methods would be too labor-intensive. The FAE-PT 300 Forestry Mulcher is a powerful, versatile machine designed for heavy-duty land clearing, vegetation management, and forestry applications. Built for reliability and performance, this tracked mulcher is ideal for large-scale operations such as clearing forests, maintaining power lines, and preparing land for agriculture or construction. The Ponzi Masticator is a powerful forestry attachment designed for efficient land clearing and vegetation management. This masticator is built to shred trees, brush, and other dense vegetation, transforming them into mulch in one quick pass. As an attachment often used with Ponzi's versatile range of forestry machines, it excels in both precision and power, allowing operators to handle large-scale land-clearing projects with ease. Equipped with heavy-duty rotating blades, the Ponce masticator can grind through entire trees, stumps, and undergrowth, reducing them to mulch. This process not only clears the land, but also enriches the soil with organic material. The masticator's design ensures minimal environmental disruption as the mulch left behind decomposes naturally, promoting healthier soil and preventing erosion. The Ponce H8 is a high-performance harvester head designed for precision and power in forestry operations. Known for its reliability and durability, the H8 is typically mounted on powerful harvesters like the Ponce Bear or other large forestry machines. It excels in cutting and processing large-diameter trees, making it an ideal tool for demanding logging tasks in challenging terrains. One of the standout features of the Ponce H8 is its extensive cutting capability. It can handle trees with diameters up to 32 inches, 81 centimeters, making it well suited for harvesting mature and large trees. The head features a heavy-duty saw bar and a fast-cutting hydraulic system, allowing it to fell trees quickly and efficiently while minimizing downtime. The H8 also boasts advanced delimbing technology. Its adjustable knives are engineered to strip branches cleanly and accurately, ensuring high-quality timber with minimal damage. Additionally, the feed rollers are designed to grip the tree firmly while feeding it through the processor, providing smooth, continuous movement for optimal productivity. Next up, the wood chipping machine is an absolute powerhouse. This beast can effortlessly crush large blocks of wood, transforming them into manageable pieces with its advanced pressing and splitting mechanism. Watch as it takes massive logs and breaks them down into perfect chunks, ready for burning. If you're looking for efficiency and strength in wood processing, this machine is a game changer. Get ready to see raw wood turn into usable fuel in no time. The TP400 wood chipper is a robust and high-capacity wood chipping machine designed for professional use in forestry, landscaping, and large-scale land clearing projects. This powerful chipper is capable of processing substantial amounts of wood, including large logs and branches, making it ideal for converting waste wood into valuable wood chips. One of the key features of the TP400 is its impressive chipping capacity. It can handle logs with diameters up to 400 millimeters, 16 inches, allowing it to chip entire trees or large limbs with ease. The machine is fitted with a durable and highly efficient disc or drum system, which shreds the wood into uniformly sized chips. Wow! This wood chipping machine is very efficient with its capabilities. The wood block is split in half very quickly. The sound it makes sounds like a cannon going off to me. This machine seems slower, suitable for cutting small branches. With the infinite creativity of humans, variations of wood splitters are born one after another. Diversifying the models of this type of machine. Depending on your needs, choose the right machine for you. With the limitless creativity of humanity, a stunning array of wood splitters has emerged, each one more innovative than the last. This explosion of design diversity means that there's a perfect wood splitter for every need, whether you're a homeowner looking to stock up on firewood, or a commercial operation needing to process massive quantities of timber. From hydraulic splitters that effortlessly power through thick logs to compact, manual models designed for easy transport. The options are endless. Some splitters even incorporate advanced technology, allowing for precise control and enhanced efficiency. Imagine a machine that not only splits but also prepares your wood for use in record time.